These stars are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to show you how to make them out of some really simple materials, and they're really quite quick and easy to make. I use the tube of cardboard inside the wrapping paper, or you could use a cereal box. Cut a nice long thin strip. Take the end of the strip and fold over approximately 3/4 of an inch. Turn it over and fold again, turn it over and fold again, and we just want to achieve the concertina effect. So keep going until you go to the end. This is what it should look like, a nice zigzag concertina. Once you come to the end, just make sure one of the folds is facing towards us and one of the folds is facing away from us, so you can cut the end off if you need to. Then all we simply need to do is take a hole punch and punch a hole through the base of all of these. Do it a little bit at a time. Then we're going to take the other end just a few at a time and snip at an angle here, and then use the next one as a guide and cut them all in the same way. So this is what we end up with. If you want to make some more holes, you can take the hole punch again and you can make the same hole on each one and really decorate them. I'm just going to leave this one as it is for now. Take some string or cotton and thread it right through the holes, and then we need to tie a double knot here, but allow a little bit of room to allow these to bend right round in a full circle. These are so eco-friendly, and just use what you have to make them. Take a glue stick and glue one side just like this. Make lots and hang them all around your home. So once we've glued that, you just need to bring the two sides together and firmly pinch them together. Pull it into the middle so that all the points in the middle meet, and there we have it. You just need to take some cotton or some thread and hang it up. You can make it out of the cereal box. You might not get through with the hole punch, so just take some scissors or a needle and just make that hole with that instead. If it's not long enough, you might need to add some more on, so you just glue some more on, and they look absolutely gorgeous in black paper, white paper, spray painted. They're beautiful. So really have a go, decorate your home with them and see how you get on. The other stars are on my other tutorial, The Last Minute Christmas, and they hold little sweets for the kids to rip open and enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please come and see some more of my creative videos too.